Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for a little bit of a repair video. It involves Gorilla Glue. What I am trying to repair are my cleats, Reebok cleats. I love these cleats. I had them for a long time now. I think since flag football 2017 is when I start wearing them. So it's around when I kind of first start losing weight, and they do hold a lot of sentimental value to me. You see how worn they are, and if this was the front, they'll be talking. Both cleats are the same. They're size 17. I'm gonna glue these parts back up to see if they stick. So be right back. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Let's open this glue. Ooh. As you see, I am in my truck. Yeah, I am in my truck doing this. So alright. I don't know how long it takes for it to stick. Damp it for do not add water. No kidding. Come on. I guess I gotta hold it for a little bit, so I'll be right back. Yeah, I just looked at my front of the cleats. They like need a little bit up there too to stick. These are actually too big for me now, but I still play. I still wear them while playing football. I try to get other cleats, but I do have those other cleats. I do not like them at all. They're Nike, and they're like you gotta contort your ankle and it's like foot going in a different way, and it kind of hurts. So I don't wear them. I like these. They're wide enough. They're like big enough. They're like size 17. I don't wear 17s anymore. Like I said, I'm in a size 15 now. Ever since I started losing weight, my foot actually shrunk. So now I'm 15 4E wide width. Again, these are Reebok. These have never let me down, so that's why I'm repairing them. But like, if I was able to find another pair of these, I would love to have. They're great cleats, very good cleats. I just hope that these will be good. Yeah, I just got the front part of this. It's the left part of the front right shoe that is a little messed up too, so I'm fixing that. But can't go wrong with these shoes. They're Reebok Play Dry, I believe they're called. Play Dry is like right there. You see the says right there. I got these off of Amazon while ago, back in 2017 when I first started playing flag football for Special Olympics. So now I use them for football and softball. And they definitely make you move. And like, yeah, Reebok, if you're listening, hit me up. But I know you won't be listening because I am a small channel, and nobody listens to small channels, or watches them. So peace out. I'll see you in a bit. Not peace out. I'll see you in a bit for my other show. Alright, I am back. Still trying to get the stick. Still too wet. And like, so I'm gonna try to work on the other one. Work on the other one. Yeah, as you can see, like, strands of it are coming apart. Like I said, I really don't want to get rid of these cleats because they definitely hold a sentimental value to me. And, like, I love them a lot. And I really don't want Nike because they hurt my foot. Both feet. Like, both my foot. I got milk in my truck. I'm doing this. It's gonna get warm by the time when I get in the house. Nobody knew I went to go get milk, so probably like the worst repaired thing I could do. It's just, but I'm doing budget friendly and I can do what I could afford, and that's not what a new pair of cleats. So who's that? So the front part of these, this side, the left side, are pretty good. Just that part right there, the sidings are like shedding on these cleats. Play dry, Reebok play dry. I wouldn't mind getting another pair of these exact cleats. Can't find them no more. Amazon don't have them no more. That's where I got these from, Amazon. When I first started playing flag football, like I said. So, alright. This side's good for now. This side's good for now. Like I said, for now. Alright, jelly beans. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like, share, subscribe. Have a great night. On my cheap way of repairing my cleats. Have a good night. Peace.